Morning folks, hi, Vici shooter here, just out doing a bit of practice over at Popham, Basingstoke. We're obviously practicing our drills, option 1, option 2, option 3, using both platforms, obviously with a tube fed and a mag fed. Finding out today that with the new internals that I have, which are the Gen 3 ring mounted action bars, it's running a lot smoother. I've now decided to take away the lithium grease, which I found was quite heavy up until when you'd actually warm the firearm up. I've moved over to frog lube, which obviously I started out with, and it seems to have worked out very, very beneficial. It works a lot smoother. Obviously I now a full convert over to the muzzle brakes on the F12. I actually put the Mark II muzzle brake on just the other day, and I have to admit I was very skeptical whether or not this unit would actually work. Having used it today, it doesn't seem to actually keep the actual shot group any tighter, but it certainly vents the gases out to the side, even more of a vertical plane. Instead of just having a normal choke in the end of the barrel, obviously what you do find is that this will actually port it out to the sides, and it makes the felt recoil even softer. So all I can say, folks, is with a Gen 3 action bars, a polished trigger, the right ammunition that runs reliably, which obviously for my gun is 7.5 28 hole super fast, which seems to be a magnificent little round. Just check your crimps, obviously chamber check everything before a match, and you can't go wrong. The Mark II muzzle brake, definitely an evolution over the Mark I. It really runs really smoothly.
Stand by. Stand by. Stand by.
How'd that go?
985.
Huh?
985. Stand
985.
by. 0.79.
Ooh. In the 0.7s now, are we?
Stand by. 0.73.
0.73. Very nice.
Have a look at that. 0.91. Shoot ready. Stand by. 0.91. Shoot ready. Stand by. 0.89.
Ooh, that's better.
Shoot ready. Stand by. 0.8.
Ooh, okay.
Shoot ready. Stand by. 108. Shoot ready. Stand by. 0.8. Shoot ready. Stand by. 0.81.
So all I can say, folks, is thank you very much to everyone that supported me, to Trigicon, Beechwood Sports, Spartan Refinishing, Typhoon Defence, Cheshire Gun Room, and obviously everyone else that's behind the scenes that helped me out with my shooting career. I've had a great day practice. Take care of yourselves, and we'll see you on the range soon. Bye bye.